Hi to all my dear students. Today's our topic is product design and process design and how the process design is linked with the product design. Going to know what is meant by product design. We all know what is meant by product. It might be anything. It might be a good or service which satisfies the customer needs and wants. When it comes to product design, it refers to arrangement of materials which will form a good or service and which satisfies the customer needs and wants. To know more about what is meant by product design, let us see with an example. Product design is all about process design and product structure. This process design refers to the ingredients, the materials which we are using in making the product. Product structure is all about the shape and appearance of the product. We have taken the example of Coca-Cola. Initially, the Coca-Cola was manufactured with the help of two ingredients, that is cocaine, which is extracted from the coca leaf, and next one is caffeine, which is extracted from the cola nut. These two ingredients doesn't satisfy the customer need and want. To attract them, the manufacturer has removed the cocaine from the formula in the year 1903. To attract the customers in the shape and appearance of the product, the manufacturer has changed the bottle of the product, the bottle of the Coca-Cola. Initially, they used to use this type of bottles. To attract the customers, they have changed the shape of the bottle. Now we are using this type of the bottle. Both the process design and the product structure makes the product design. Next, the importance of product design. With the help of product design, the manufacturer will get the conclusions of these 3 points. That is, the detailed characteristics of each product. He will come to know what is the importance of each product, each material which we are using in making the product, and how the product has to be made, and what are the ingredients, what are the materials which we are going to use, and what is the design, what is the structure of the product. Next one is which is the heart of the product. Let us take an example. What is the heart of the product in the car? Engine. Without engine, car cannot work. We have to concentrate more on the heart of the product, that is the engine of the car. Without engine of the car, the product cannot perform well. Next one is what are the factors which are influencing the product design? Let's see. First one is customer requirements. Before producing the product, we have to see whether we are reaching the customer requirements or not. Whether the customer can use the product in all the conditions or not. Next one is convenience of the operator or user. When we are using the industrial products like machines, we have to check whether the laborers and employees can use the machines in a comfortable way or not. Next one is trade-off between function and form. What is the function and form in this product design? The function is whether the product can perform the well or not. That is the function. Form is it is all about the process design and the product structure. We cannot neglect any one of these. Both this product function and form will have the equal importance. Next one is type of materials used. What are the materials which we are using? We have to check whether the cost of the product will increase. Next one is work methods and equipments. The equipments which we are using in producing the product is very important, and what are the methods we are using in making the products. Whether we are using the traditional method or the modern methods. To reduce the wastage of materials, to reduce the usage of time, we have to use the technologies, we have to use the updated machines. Next one is cost and price ratio. Whenever we are using the materials, we have to check the cost of the materials. With the cost of the materials will decide the price of the product. If the cost of the materials has been increased, then automatically the prices of the product will also increase. If we increase the price of the product, most of the customers doesn't attract to the product. So to attract the customers, we have to reduce the cost of the materials. Next one is product quality. How can we say our product has the quality standards? When the customer is satisfied with the product, when the customer is using it in all the ways, then we can say that the product has the quality standards. Next one is process capability. Whenever we are producing specific material, specific product, we have to check whether the machines can produce the product, the target order or not. Next one is effect on existing products. Whenever we are changing the materials in producing the products, we have to see that the cost of the materials are going to increase or it is going to reduce. We have to keep the cost of the materials in a minimum way. Next one is packaging. Packaging is the most essential thing in product design, because the main thing, the first thing which attracts the customers is the package. Now, before going to know what is meant by process design, let us know what is meant by process. It is a sequence of operations. It is a sequence of activities from raw materials to finished goods, which creates the value to the materials that is processed. See, we cannot extract the diesel. We cannot dig the diesel directly. To extract the diesel, we have to dig the crude oil. The process of extracting the diesel from the crude oil is called process. And the planning which we are doing, which we are converting the materials into finished product is called process planning. This process planning consists of two parts. First one is process design and second one is operations design. Let us see what is meant by process design. It is a sequence of operations which we require to achieve the specified product. What does this sequence of operations have? It requires the nature of the product. What is the nature of the product? It might be a good or it might be a service. And what are the materials which we are using in producing the product? Next, the quantities to be produced. In making the product, what are the materials we require and what are the measurements? That is the most important thing. Next one is existing physical layout of the plant. Plant refers to machine here. We have to check whether the machine can produce the undefect product or not. Let us see the example design. I have taken the air condition for the process design. See, to produce the air condition, we need the compressor and the fan coil. We cannot keep the compressor in the place of fan coil. We cannot keep the fan coil in the place of compressor. We have to keep all the materials in a sequence way. Okay, to for the working of AC in a proper way, we need to keep all the materials in a proper way. Next one is operations design. Operations design is all about how many labors need to require in manufacturing the product. We can use we can see all these operations design in operations research in a practical way. With this, we came to know what is mean by product design and how the process design is linked with the product design, and what is mean by process, what is mean by process planning, and what the process planning consists of. Hope you understand. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friends.